Good morning, preppers.
We love BioLite. They have this compact camp stove that does it all.
Yes, and the best thing is that it doesn't use liquid fuels. Instead, it uses biomass, which is like sticks and leaves off the forest floor.
And as a rocket stove, it can charge devices like phones.
Yes, and so we are going to unbox it, show you all of its amazing features.
Let's get started. It's a nice design.
So we have, looks like 3 boxes.
And they are numbered too.
Yep, so we have, I pulled out 2. There's 1, and here is 3. And then we have, what is that?
It looks like this is
the
grill.
Yes, that is the portable griddle. And here we have the kettle pot and coffee press.
Here, let's open this one.
Oh, here. Wait, I probably should do 1.
Wait, here we go. Here, there we go.
Nice. All right, so let's do 1, in which inside here we have the combustion chamber and power module.
This is where you put the sticks and leaves and stuff. There we go.
All right, so let's go ahead and go with number 2. I can get it open. There we go. All right. Ooh, sweet. We have a nice bag.
We have 2 bags.
We have 2 bags, and looks like this is this a USB light?
Oh, cool. And then fire starters.
Okay. And instructions.
Always need instructions. And one more thing.
And that looks to be the phone charger.
Cool.
Sweet. Okay, then we have number 3, in which on the box, I can already tell what's in here.
Ooh.
We have our beautiful kettle, and inside our beautiful kettle, if I can open it. Ah, got it. Okay, there's our lid.
It's a coffee press.
Yes, we have a coffee press, and this coffee press is in the bottom.
It's so pretty looking too.
I know, the metal is so nice, and I like how it has orange accents to it, and then like the teal.
Oh, it's got a little spout.
There, the coffee press. Sweet. Okay, so the most important thing you have to do is you have to make sure it's fully charged before your first use.
Yep.
But let's show you how we put the power module onto the actual stove.
Okay, so this goes in here at a weird angle.
Yep. In which then it like shows that it's like clipped right there.
Yep.
And to clip it in, you put the leg out and it like clamps it in place.
And then you put the rest of the legs out.
And
ta-da!
now you have your stand. But like we said, we have to charge it first. Now right here is actually where you can plug in the light or you charge your phone, but right here.
Yep, right there. And this is the cord.
Yep.
So unwind that and put that in.
And we're gonna go ahead and start charging it.
There we go. Look, as you can see with the green light right here, it is charging up.
All right, now that it's all charged up, the coolest thing about this is how it all packs up and how compactable it is.
And it's perfect for bugging out and putting in a backpack.
Yep. All right.
So we're going to start putting it all together.
So you're gonna take that apart, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this compacts into here. So you have your compressor, twist the handle off.
All right, so while she does that, this goes in this bag. Put that in here.
This bowl gets put inside your kettle.
And then you put it in the bag, so you put this in here. Oh, there we go.
You put it on backwards.
And then it doesn't get it doesn't get this dirty.
Yeah, so after you use it, because it'll get a lot of, you know, wood fired stuff all over in the inside, and
then that goes in there.
Yep. And then this whole thing gets put inside here, along with this. All right, and then the lid gets put on. And I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because we have a bag for it.
Another bag.
Here. Yeah. All right.
This goes in here. There we go. Now we do have a few extra things like fire starters, which you can put that in,
Sure.
and the light, which you can just wrap up as I was doing here, and just stick that on the side.
And then this has a beautiful lid that goes on top. There we go. All right, and then it closes right there. And we're going to put, yes, and look how small and compact this was when it was like all over the table. And then we'll put it in our beautiful backpack and it fits perfectly.
Awesome.
Awesome. All right, now let's go.
Now we also bought the BioLite toolkit, and it has all the tools you need for grilling and cooking on the BioLite. Now this is sold separately, but we had to get it.
Ooh, look at that. Okay, so another great thing, look at how compactable this is. Instead of having just random tools over the place, it has this beautiful little sleeve.
And it's blue.
Yeah, I love how it goes with the BioLite and how it like matches. Oh, and it's got a nice knife.
All right, let's pack this up. Let's
Goes that way.
first.
That way. Woohoo! Yeah, let's go. This thing has a 3200 milliamp rechargeable battery.
Which has enough to completely charge your phone, even if fire's not going.
This is the perfect place for lunch. Okay, here, guys, I think this looks like a nice, clear, flat spot. Yeah, this is a good flat spot.
Here, David, why don't you help me clear off this area so nothing catches fire?
Okay, I'm gonna get it out.
There we go.
We'll get that out later if we need to. All right.
Now there are 3 ways you can cook on this. First, the grill.
Or you can use a pot or the water kettle. Now, you have to make sure, David, that the handle is over the power module.
Okay. Now need sticks. Now you have to use dry sticks. This one looks dry. Now to tell, you can break it. Yep, this is good to go. Perfect.
All right, now if they bend like this and don't break right away, then it's probably not the best one to grab.
You need small sticks to start it, but you need big sticks to keep it going.
Now when putting the sticks in, you have to make sure they go right to the top, like so. But no longer than the top like that. Also, make sure you don't overstuff it too.
Okay, so it went ahead and came with some fire starters, which we're going to use, but you can use your own, but make sure you do not use charcoal and don't use any kind of liquid fuels. There you go.
And you can also put in some dry leaves if you want to.
Okay, the first cool thing about the BioLite is that it actually has a fan, which is great for really getting the fire going. But keep it on its lowest setting so it doesn't blow out the fire. Okay, you can see here with the 3 gauges, right here, this one shows how much battery life it has. This one shows how hot your fire is in case you need to put it out if it gets too hot. And then right here is the fan so you can speed it up.
Look at the fire coming out like a rocket. Burgers first. There we go. Okay, put the cover down to make the grill nice and hot.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That is a beautiful burger. And some hot dogs. Alright, those hot dogs are done. Yes. And the top part of the grill is actually a plate too. Now another thing you can do to give your food some flavor is to actually put flavored wood chips into the chamber. Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
That was really good, but now I need a cup of coffee.
Yeah, me too. And this thing holds over a liter of water.
Now be really careful because this metal surface is going to be really hot.
If you have a hot enough fire, it'll start boiling in about 4 to 5 minutes. I love how you can see the flames shooting out the sides.
Alright, it's all charged up. So we can put the light in. There we go. Ta-da! Or we can charge my phone. There we go. Perfect.
You just keep it maintained by putting some small sticks in there. Keep the fire going.
Steam's coming out. It's boiling.
Alright. Let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll push it down. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. We have like apple flavored. Okay, you can go faster than that.
Looks so good.
Even have some bug out creamer. Please don't burn me. That's really good.
Oh, and now we have other visitors.
Hey, I want to see.
There you go, birds.
Come on.
Since all you guys are here, who would like some s'mores?
Me! Yay! Hi!
Sammy's gonna help you get some more water soda. I literally just ate regular, and then I ate
Make sure you dispose of the embers to prevent any forest fires. Use dirt and water. Never leave a fire. But never pour water into the BioLite itself.
We love BioLite.
It has everything you need in one package.
And the company BioLite has helped millions of people around the world with energy sources.
Yes, if you guys want to buy one, click the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching.
Keep on prepping.
They said we were laying on this on the ground.
Yeah. I can see it.